Hey, what's up everybody? I am going to be doing a little PDR video today on this E30. This paint is about 5 years old. You can see right there, there's a little tiny little dent. So I'm not going to take this off. Obviously, I'm going to do that right there. It's a moonroof. That's the only dent on this entire car. There's no dents anywhere other than that little one. I'm not really sure how it happened, but luckily I do this kind of stuff. So now I'll show you how I'm gonna get in here. So I removed the trim cover on the top here of the moonroof, and it looks like I'll have enough access right through this little spot right here to get a pick in there and push that out. So that's the plan anyways. So I'm gonna kind of have to get in the car and reach and do it. Either that or I'll have to move things around, but we'll see. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna start by using this pick here. It's called a whale tail. You can see why it's called a whale tail. But this, I'm gonna push right in through that little slot that I showed you. And then I just make ever so slight movements on the pick to push the dent out. So we'll see. I think I've had really good luck with this pick so far, so I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna have to be really careful because this paint is, I put a lot of clear on this when I painted it, but there's no filler in there. There's no filler anywhere on the whole roof, so at least that's good, but there's a lot of paint on it. So we'll give it a go and we'll see what happens. So there we go, guys. It's all wrapped up. Dent's 100% gone. And I did this using this whale tail. It's a whale tail tip. Dentcraft makes it. Works really well. Anyways, thanks for watching the video.